Hi there and welcome back to another video from all of us here at Lottie Jasmine Designs. We've got another unboxing of a resin coaster kit, similar to the previous one we had, which had the alphabet mould with the lovely little three bears. Yeah, I'm having lots of fun making creations and things from that kit. So this is from the same place. We bought it from the range. Again, it was $12.99. It includes 3 coaster moulds, some gold and silver foil papers, mica powders, hardener and the resin, mixing spoons, pipettes, wooden sticks, silicone measuring cups, and 2 lots of pairs of gloves. And it's quite comprehensive. It says it's suitable for beginners and intermediate crafters. So let's see what's in the box. So here it is open. Sorry, it's a bit of an odd view actually. So these are the packages that they come in. Looks like got some decent moulds. Hopefully they'll be the similar quality to what we've seen before. Some nice coloured and bright mica powders and things there too. Yeah, so quite pleased with the outset look of this. So this is this lovely sort of like lime green, metallic-y lime green mica powder. It's rather beautiful. Lovely deep sort of blue colour. Sorry about the reflection and the shine of the light there. Nice sort of mauvey purpley colour one. A deep reddy brown. It's quite an unusual colour that. A pinky colour, sort of salmon corally pink. Yeah. A deep orange. Now this one's beautiful colour. Beautiful colour. This one, yeah, we'll look at that. Very deeply, heavily pigmented mica powder, which is quite nice. Quite nice indeed. Yeah. Oh, I'm just going to show you. I think I'm going to just try and show you a bit of it actually. It's just always a bit wonder whether or not I'm going to end up spilling everything everywhere when I do things like this. So yeah, there you go. As you can see, oh, it's quite heavily pigmented, which is good. It's very unusual for me to find an orange one. And then, oh, almost ran off the table there. We've got these lovely imitations gold leaf foil papers. And a nice little handy container. Same thing with some silver here. Of course, those containers are reusable. Here are the 5 pipettes. As I think I've said before, I don't have a lot of luck using pipettes. And the stir sticks. These are really good quality. They're not thin. They're not rough. They're quite smooth. And they're a similar quality to those that we've purchased from other hobby craft places and online. We've also got some of these rather lovely stirrers, and these are for measuring out the mica powder, putting in resin and then mixing it up, or just mixing small amounts of resin, but do be careful because they are a little bit on the bendy side. There we go. Yeah, so there's 5, and there's 5 of those. Rather good. Always good to have handy, even if you don't use it in the project that you do from this box. So this is the resin. There's 100 mils, it says on the bottle of that one. And the hardener, also 100 mils. Now what I found with both the kits that we've had, well, this is the first mould. Rather lovely, decent quality, not ever so thick though, so go careful when using it. What I found with the resin and the hardener, when you mix it, doesn't make 200 mils. It makes more like about 180 mils in total. So there we go, there's the first round one. Then there's this slightly different one with a hole in the middle, a bit like a geode or a slice of agate, how you might find a natural crystal formation. And a similar thing again there, but in a square shape. So yeah, quite looking forward to using these, particularly with these powders and the foil papers in the coasters. So I think I'm going to try and use each one of the colours when I do it. It might look a bit muddy though, so possibly not such a good idea. But you know, it's to demonstrate what's in the box. So the idea is that I use a little of everything that's in the box. Not quite sure. Oh, there we go. So that's the whole of the kit. So here is a picture. This is a picture. This is one of the geodes that I made with using the kit. There you are. Excuse the state of my hands there, and obviously the lighting. It's incredibly bright. Really must invest in some decent lights. So this was using the gold and the silver leaf. It was using the blue and the dark reddy brown colour. I mean, in future I probably won't put these colours together, but I just wanted to see what they would look like, you know, to test out the kit. There we go. So I used the blue and the red in there. You can of course edge them in gold metallic paint or silver if you've got those lovely pens. I mean, we've got a few, but yeah, just need to go around just to make sure that it's not quite so sharp, trim up the edges a wee bit, but that'll make quite a nice coaster. And there we go, here's the other one. So this was the pink and the mauvey purpley colour, and I'm just going to take this one out. It was a bit odd that there was one mould without the geode hole type thing in the middle and two with, but there we go. This one's slightly nicer. This has got the pink and the mauve, and it's got the silver foil and the gold foil in it too. So yeah, there's just a few little imperfections I found on the surface. No imperfections in these moulds, which is really good. As I said, it was very good value for money. And here's the third one. This is the square geode one. So in this one, I believe I used the green and the orange because there were 6 mica colours. So I quite like the look of this one. And then we're going to turn it over. And again, you've got the thing where you can see the gold and the silver imitation leaf. Just need to tidy up a few bits along the edges. Again, no imperfections in this mould. Quite pleased with the result. As I say again, I don't know that I would use this particular technique where you put the silver and gold leaf in it. But anyway, thank you if you've tuned in and joined us for this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and look out for the next video, which will be on Friday. Thank you. Bye.